Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Leapsome HR and performance. So first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and then here you just search for leapsome.com, and for the pricing you'd be able to see here. And then after that, let us now take a tour since we don't need to request for a demo. So starting off with this one. So here, how would you like to add your employee? So book importing employees, quickly upload employee data by adding a list of email addresses or using an Excel template like this. Next, when a new hire accepts an offer in your ATs, their user profile complete with all relevant employee data is automatically created in Leapsome, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. Next, all your employee data will be centralized, organized, safely stored, and ready to when you need it. Next one is the workflows. Okay, so here for the workflows, first let's take onboarding flows as an example. So we're going to use this one as an example. Next, here you can fully customize what triggers on onboarding workflow, whether it's a specific date or an event like a work anniversary or promotion. Next one is select who should be included in the workflow. So you just have to select, for example, all employees. Next, you can set up steps like notifications, checklists, and attributes and assign them to workflow participants or any other employee, such as direct manager, HRBP, super admins, and etc. Now, monitoring workflows is easy. For each workflow, you can track metrics like average progress or days to complete. Okay, so here, see each member enrolled in a workflow alongside progress and current steps. So Leapsome keeps everyone on track so you can focus on celebrating wins, not chasing reminders. Next, we have the document management. Okay, so let's see how you can create documents. So upload any document template, then assign it to users based on your custom criteria. Okay, so just have to upload it right here. Next, define documents visibility to ensure confidential data stays secure. The next one is if any information is missing, Leapsome will flag it for you so you can easily update information directly in the table. And if a document requires signatures, you can set who needs to sign it and what order. Okay, and then employees are notified and it has a setup so whenever a document requires their action. Okay, and here Leapsome handles all reminders to ensure timeless signatures. Reviewing and signing documents is a breeze. And lastly, once all parties have signed, the final document is securely stored in an employee's profile. Only users with appropriate permission can access it. No more admin headaches, only smooth sailing. Okay, next is we have the absence management. So for the absence management right here, officially handle absence. So here, first define your company's work schedule to set the foundation for absence management. Okay, so configure full-time and part-time work schedules with ease to suit your organization's needs. That's right. And of course, you can set up multiple holiday calendars in just a few clicks, also perfect for global teams. Okay, so choose from predefined regional calendars or create custom ones to match your company's unique needs. Okay, and build tailored absence policies from vacation and sick leave to remote work policies, and Leapsome guides you step by step. So once assigned, these policies integrate seamlessly with your payroll cycles. Okay, now next we have this configure approval flows for absence requests to ensure they're sent to the right people every time. And then the employees can submit absence requests directly in Leapsome and always see their remaining leave balance. Okay, so they don't have to really worry. And all absences are visible in the company's absence calendar for a clear, centralized view. So you have a calendar right here, and then use filters like teams, locations, your manager for a detailed breakdown of absences, a bird's eye view, but for HR. So next we have the time tracking. Okay, so for the time tracking, make it simple for employees to log in. Okay, to set up time tracking policies with ease and stay compliant across borders. Okay, so you have that right here. And next, employees can log their working hours and breaks with a slick, intuitive time tracking widget so they can focus on what matters most. Okay, now at any time, employees can view a detailed summary of their workday and collect out to submit their timesheet. Okay, so easily tracked and review weekly or monthly timesheets. You'll be notified when something needs your approval. So you'll be notified if something needs your approval, and Leapsome will flag if something needs your attention. So you can sit back, relax, and focus on the things you need or only that you can do, and we've got this covered. Next one, we have the payroll management. Okay, so effortlessly manage and request payroll. So set up payroll policies tailored to your organization and centralize all your data in one place. Easily pull in data points that influence payroll, such as employee salaries, directly into the system. Next, one click is all it takes to integrate absence data into your payroll. Okay, so Leapsome highlights any data points needing your attention, like recent changes or potential errors, keeping things stress-free. Okay, so export payroll data in the right format to share with your payroll processors with no hassle. And lastly, hit approve once the payroll cycle is ready to go, done and dusted, payroll perfectly delivered. And next one, we have the analytics and reporting. So harness connected insights across the entire employee lifecycle with intuitive visual reporting, summaries, and analytics. Okay, so let us explore this analytics and reporting. Okay, so access real-time growth and demographic dashboard to make informed database decisions and share employee insight across your organization or build your own custom dashboard. Next is split the filter or drill down into your data set to customize your report dashboard. And then customize the chart type before exporting your insights. Here, all your people insights are interconnected across HRIS and people enablement. Finally, one source of truth for your people data, no more chasing spreadsheets. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.